You want to play, Mr. Man?
He didn't want to play the last time I offered.
Oh, you gonna get it? Oh, you gonna get it? Go get it. Oh, you're having fun.
No contact.
I love how he does his head.
Marshmallow does that.
Get it. Get it.
He doesn't want to touch it. It's true. It could have germs on it. You know, birds in the wild are very dirty.
Yeah. I love
He
that.
shook his paw when it touched his paw.
Oh no, the offense.
He doesn't want to touch it. He just wants to play with it.
Get it. Go get it.
Oh.
No. Come on, Howdy Do.
It did touch him one too many times.
Yuck, it touched me. Yucky.
I have bad aim.
He's a pretty cat.
He
Look at his
is.
long legs.
Yeah.